Experiencing a no internet error on your T-Mobile 5G router? This often stems from weak 5G signal, SIM card problems, network congestion, or outdated firmware. Common causes include weak 5G signal strength, SIM card malfunctions, network congestion during peak times, and outdated firmware that needs updating. First, power cycle your router. Unplug it from the power source, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. Second, check the 5G signal strength via the router's web interface at 192.168.12.1. This admin panel shows signal details and connection status. Third, reposition the router near a window or higher location to improve 5G signal reception and reduce interference. Fourth, use the T-Mobile app's Check Coverage tool to verify service availability in your area and confirm 5G connectivity. Fifth, ensure your SIM card is properly seated in the router. If the signal remains weak, consider adding a signal booster to enhance reception. Sixth, update your router's firmware via the admin panel. Outdated firmware is a common cause of connectivity issues and security vulnerabilities. Finally, utilize T-Mobile's AI-driven troubleshooting in the app to run remote diagnostics and resolve issues without contacting support. Your T-Mobile 5G router's LEDs provide crucial diagnostic information. A solid white power LED indicates normal operation, while flashing suggests an issue. A red signal LED signals a weak 5G connection. A factory reset restores the router to default settings, useful as a last resort for persistent problems. Hold the reset button on the back for 10 to 15 seconds until the LEDs flash, but remember this erases custom Wi-Fi settings. Firmware updates, preferably the latest version, fix bugs and security vulnerabilities. Access the router's admin panel to check for and install updates manually. Keeping firmware current is crucial for optimal performance and security. If all else fails, contact T-Mobile support.